Welcome to the new University of Manitoba academic calendar. It's user-friendly and easy to navigate with all academic information available at the click of a button. The academic calendar is mobile-friendly and easy to use with your tablet or smartphone. Let's navigate the academic calendar and see some features. The A to Z index will provide you a list of everything in the academic calendar, exactly like an index in your textbooks. Some examples include information on your academic advisor's office, the bookstore, and information on faculty degree programs. Now let's look at the search function. The search bar can be used to locate information by entering a word, course, or item you are trying to find. For example, let's search for a degree program. The search results page will provide you with the list of all pages available in the academic calendar that contain the words food science. Another feature is course descriptions. You can easily access course descriptions on the left-hand column. Course descriptions can help you with exploring electives while degree planning, or finding more information about a course before registration. Let's take a look at Biology 1020. Course descriptions give you information on the course content, as well as any prerequisites or co-requisites, equivalencies, other courses it may be mutually exclusive with, and course attribute information. Faculty or degree program information can be found through the Undergraduate Studies link on the left-hand column. Let's take a look at a faculty page with degree program information in the Faculty of Arts. There are multiple tabs available on faculty pages, including Overview, Programs, Faculty Academic Regulations, and more. The Overview tab provides general information on the degree programs such as contact information, entrance requirements, and co-op options. Let's take a look at the Programs tab. This tab includes a list of all the degree programs available in the faculty you are viewing. The table shows the type of degree, years to completion for the degree, total credit hours for graduation, and if there is a co-op option for the program. Let's look at the Psychology General program. After clicking on a program from the list, you will see a new set of tabs including degree requirements, courses, faculty requirements, and general academic regulations. The Degree Requirements tab gives you a breakdown of what is required to graduate with this degree. You can also use the academic calendar with Achieve. Achieve is the University of Manitoba degree audit system that will show you how your courses apply to the degree. This page also provides footnotes with important information pertaining to the courses in the chart. If you're looking for additional information, use the Sources of Information for All Students link. This page provides a list of resources you may need to access, such as financial aid and awards, student photo ID, transcripts, Achieve, and more. To explore the new academic calendar further, visit www.umanitoba.ca/calendar.